Hey everybody, it's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car store is this 2017 Ram 1500 SLT in brilliant black crystal pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine under the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 6-foot box on the back. This Ram 1500 has power folding in mirrors. Just hit the button once and the mirrors fold in case you need to park in a tight parking space. Press the button again and the mirrors fold right back out for you. They are heated mirrors as well. Leather wrapped steering wheel. This is a tilt steering wheel too. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. Cloth seating throughout. Adjustable headrests on the front seats, and you'll have adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust those so you're most comfortable. Nice materials here in the middle for arms to rest on. Open this up. There's some storage space down in here. There's a change holder, and there's also a USB port, an auxiliary port, and a 12-volt DC power outlet. Feel free to put anything in the storage area for quick and easy access. This folds up into a middle seat for that unexpected passenger, allowing for 6 people to be comfortably seated inside this truck. And there's 3 big cup holders here in the middle with bubbles to hold your cups into place. The Ram 1500 has a very spacious interior, and you can see that even more coming into the back seat area here. Look how much footroom there is. It is amazing. There is so much headroom. It's fantastic. Hooks up above so you can hang up nice clothing, so if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. Adjustable headrests in the back seat area too. Fold down armrest here with 2 big cup holders in the middle. You flip that back up like so. The seats do flip up for you, and you do have a fold out gate, and it comes out very easily. You can put things underneath or on top for storage, and if you're not using it, you can fold it back like so. Lift this up, there's even more storage space underneath, and there's a clip here so you can secure it like this. Boom, now it is secure. You can't open it, and the seat easily comes right back down. There's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. 2 directional air vents down here in the middle, which you can easily adjust, and there's a pocket on the back of the passenger seat, and there's 2 big cup holders down below. Underneath the mats are insulated removable in-floor storage areas. You put ice in here and keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold, and if it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. They stay nice and hidden underneath the mats. There is a large driver information center screen in the middle. It is LCD, and all the gauges look very good. This Ram only has 7,154 kilometers on it. The information center gives you 2 trick computers, a digital speedometer, message center, and so much more. Here is the key fob. It fits nicely in your pocket. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button, and a nice Ram badge on the back. And this truck also has Aftermarket Remote Start. You can remote start the Ram 1500 from the comfort of your own home, so in the wintertime it's warmed up and ready to go when you are ready to go. There's directional air vents on the dashboard, which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open them if you want to. And this is the touchscreen Uconnect system, and you can turn off the screen if you don't want to look at it. Touch it with your finger, it comes back on. The system has AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM, and you can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to very easily. It tells you the song and the artist in the middle of the screen. These are your seek buttons, so you can go through channels on SiriusXM or AM, FM that you want to listen to. Presets up above. Hold the box with your finger, and you can easily set a preset. Press the media button here if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, or a Bluetooth device connected. Press the media button, and you can listen to music through those areas. The screen is very responsive and very quick. Here's your Bluetooth area. You can pair a device to the system, and you can delete old devices. You can make hands-free calls. This also has voice recognition, and you can pair multiple devices at one time. And here you do have a large compass, which is always cool to have, so you can see which way that you're pointing. You have settings for touchscreen Uconnect system in the Ram 1500, so you can customize this truck and have it the way that you want it to be. More button, you got an outside thermometer there, a large clock, and a mirror dimmer. Easily put this back on the radio. Just by pressing the radio button, you can cycle between AM, FM, and SiriusXM. You have a back button to help you guide through your system, a tuning knob, a browse button, a volume knob, and a mute button. This truck also has a 115 volt AC power outlet, heated seats up front, and it also has a heated steering wheel. You have traction control and a tow/haul mode, climate controls here with air conditioning, and your hazards are above those. Rotary style gear shifter, and put this truck into reverse. That engages the backup camera. Push button 4-wheel drive, 12 volt DC power outlet, a drawer right here for some storage. Put whatever you want in there, and there's a USB port right here, which is great for charging devices. Come to the back here. It's looking very nice. Great badging. Backup camera is built into the tailgate handle right there. You have a tonneau cover, keeps everything in the box protected. Spot for a trailer hitch down below with connections so you can power up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices that you'd want the Ram 1500 to do so. Open up the tailgate here. You'll see that there is spray and bedliner, and there is hooks in the box. You can tie any load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. Tons of space in the box for whatever you need. It is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All 4 doors will lock, including the tailgate. It's the 2017 Ram 1500 SLT in brilliant black crystal pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 6-foot box in the back. It has 4-wheel drive, cruise control, Bluetooth, and so much more. I'm Matt David, and I'll talk to you later.